Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your account age in Brawl Stars. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you've already created an account and want to update your age, the process requires reaching out to Brawl Stars support. First, launch Brawl Stars and go to the main menu. From there, tap on the burger menu icon in the top right corner of the screen, and in this menu select Settings. This will open your settings. In the settings, ensure you logged in with your Supercell ID. The Supercell ID is your game account login that allows you to save your progress across devices and safeguard your account. Next, tap on the Help and Support option in the Settings menu. This will direct you to a support page. From here, you will find an option labeled Start New Conversation if you have contacted them before. Use this feature to initiate a conversation with Brawl Stars support. Clearly explain your situation. Mention that the account age was set incorrectly and provides the correct information. Once you've sent your message, Brawl Stars support will review your request. If they approve the change, they will assist you in updating your account age. If you have recently started playing the game and would rather start fresh with the correct age, there is an alternative solution that involves creating a new account. Return to the main settings menu in game. From there, tap on Supercell ID. This will open a new Supercell ID window. In this window, locate the gear icon which represents settings for your Supercell ID. Tap on this gear icon, and you will see the logout option on the right side of your screen. Select Logout and confirm your choice. Once logged out, you will have the option to play without a Supercell ID. Select this option and the game will reload after it restarts. You'll be taken back to the initial tutorial sequence. Completes the tutorial, as this step is necessary for setting up a new account. Once the tutorial is complete, you'll be prompted to choose a new account name. During this step, you'll also be asked to set your account age. Be sure to enter the correct age this time, as it determines certain features and parental controls in the game. So that's basically how you can change your account age in Brawl Stars. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.